Hi everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Surprise! This is again one of my printed books, but this time this time I actually have inside this box my hardcover edition. I'm so excited. I've been waiting a couple of weeks to actually get this set up in 𝗵𝗲𝗃 and order it. So now I finally have it. So I'm actually really looking forward to see it, how it looks in print. So yes, I have the hardcover edition available through 𝗵𝗲𝗃 and the soft cover available through Amazon. So let's see. Oh my god. I was all shaking and almost crying, literally crying actually, when I've received this beauty here, the soft cover for my debut novel. So I don't know how to feel now for my hardcover edition. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. It's a cloth hardcover edition with dust jacket, which only 𝗵𝗲𝗃 can do, but not Amazon. They don't do this yet. Look at this. Oh my god. Hardcover edition with dust jacket. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. Wow. It's blue cloth. That's what I chose. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. The Spy Arena by 𝗪𝗃𝗵𝗄. I chose the blue cover, the blue cloth, and with a dust jacket. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh wow. Look at this. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. And this is the dust jacket. Super beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Oh my god. I have a few more inside. Absolutely beautiful. I've always wanted actually to have a hardcover for my debut novel, not just a soft cover. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Stunning in print with the dust jacket. I kind of really wanted to have the same edition available through Amazon, but it's a shame they actually don't do it. But I'm not gonna cry over it because 𝗵𝗲𝗃 does it, which is it's perfect, absolutely perfect. Wow. Yeah, this is the best drug for me, smelling my book when it's been freshly printed. There's no better smell than this for me in the world. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, this beauty, it's now available online. So I recommend it to all of you to give it a go and read my debut novel, The Spy Arena, with a foreword by 𝗵𝗲𝗃𝗵𝗄. She is the founder of Victim to Victor, and she is a best-selling author and a movie producer. And as you can see, I've also wrote the book based on my life, so it's pretty cool. It's pretty awesome. I've turned some of my life events into an action-packed spy thriller. I just cannot actually recommend this enough. So I recommend you to have a go. Go online and search for The Spy Arena. So those are the editions, soft cover and hardcover. They are both available now. I'll put the links below in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.